Here's the reason why people become successful. Some people say because you're so lucky, or you've been in the right place on the right time. It's not being in the right place at the right time. It's thinking ahead what's the right thing to do to become successful. When I discovered about the EnvisionTEC machine, I saw the future right there, in the blink of an eye. Hi, my name is Vatché. I'm a New York-based high-end jewelry manufacturer. I've been doing jewelry manufacturing since 1988. When the computers came in, took the world to the next level overnight. This EnvisionTEC machine took my business to the next level overnight. It gave me the power to produce much faster and much better quality. I design rings. I go ahead and design hundreds of rings, and I go through them and take people's opinions, set the stones on the plastic, paint the rings and see what's going to look like, try it on a girl's hands before I even go ahead and finish it. Then I narrow down from 100 rings down to probably 10-12 designs. And when I submit those 10-12 designs, it becomes a winner. This is one of the reasons I became one of the top designers since 2010. There's so many machines out there. I've seen machines as little as $5,000. But when I see the result, it's horrible. And when the machine doesn't print good, the client doesn't know that the machine did not print good. The client thinks, you don't know how to make jewelry. They jump to the next guy. It's important that your machine prints really fine quality. And it's important that machine does not break down, because sometimes people come in and they say, I want this ring done in 5 days, and there's no excuse. These machines are so durable. It's like the yellow cab in New York City. They never break down. And I'm really happy that I have it.